It's a 2017 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability make every trip the perfect journey. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, smartphone wireless charging, manual tilting steering column, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Deel Sales in Miami is your local dealership committed to excellence. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 3650 Bird Road in Miami.